In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Paint Format in Google Docs. If you've ever spent time adjusting font size, color, bolding, spacing, or other text styling by hand, the Paint Format tool can save you a lot of effort. It lets you copy the formatting from one section of text and apply that same look to another section in just a few clicks. It's a simple feature, but it's extremely useful when you want your document to look clean, consistent, and professional. To get started, open your Google Doc and find the text that already has the formatting you want to reuse. This could be a heading, a subheading, or a paragraph that has the exact style you want to copy. Once you've found it, select that text carefully. This is important because Google Docs will copy the formatting from whatever you highlight, including things like font style, text size, color, and emphasis. Next, go to the toolbar at the top of the document and click the Paint Format icon. It looks like a small paint roller. When you click it, Google Docs prepares to copy the formatting from the text you selected. After that, you'll notice your cursor changes to show that the Paint Format tool is active. This is your signal that the formatting has been picked up and is ready to be applied somewhere else in the document. Now, highlight the text where you want to apply that same formatting. Click and drag over the target text, just as you normally would when selecting text. As soon as you do that, Google Docs will apply the copied formatting automatically. You'll see the selected text instantly match the original formatting. That means the second section will now have the same appearance as the first, without you having to manually update each style setting one by one. This is especially helpful when you're working on longer documents and want to keep titles, labels, or sections visually consistent. A good tip here is to make sure you only select the exact source text you want to copy from, since the results depend on that original formatting. Also, if the icon doesn't seem active anymore after one use, that's normal. In many cases, Paint Format applies the style once, and then you can repeat the process if needed. And that's all it takes to use Paint Format in Google Docs. It's a quick and effective way to save time and keep your document formatting uniform.